Good morning. Justin here from the Avant-Garde collection representing 911R on Bring a Trailer. I wanted to do a morning walk around video in broad daylight for our 1972 Chevrolet K5 Blazer. This vehicle is ending on Bring a Trailer in just a few hours, I think just under 4 hours. And yeah, I wanted to spend some time with it and with you guys today showing it off. Just a fantastic rig. It's everything that I would want in one of these. All the things are done the way I would want to do them. Not just the paint and body and refurbishment of this restoration is fantastic on this truck. The paint is also fantastic. It is show worthy. But also the runnability of the truck. The fuel injection adds so much. Every last grommet, shock, A-arm, everything has been touched on this, all to make just a fantastic driving experience. So it's not just a looker, it is a performer as well. Tires, wheels, all that just in, as new condition. Interior too, just so cool. I love these plaid inserts. They're in the back seats as well. Just smells new in here too, guys. Just as nice as you could hope. Let's see if I can show you the engine real quick too, because it looks just as nice on the underside. Let me have to set my phone down for this. There. As I mentioned, fuel injection on this truck, power brakes, power steering, and air conditioning. It performs like you would expect a modern vehicle to perform. And everyone knows how to work on these trucks, and they're just real simple. And simple is good. So that's the truck, guys. If you want to see more pictures, if you need to see more details, I am available to do that. And yeah, just ask questions in the comments. We can also get you shipping quotes. So please send me a contact seller button with your zip code, and I can do a shipping quote for you as well. Good luck, guys. Someone's going to get a fantastic Chevy. Take care.